Hi, Patrick at Sage Auto Repair here again. We're talking another segment on antifreeze, and we're talking about changing antifreeze every 5 years or 100,000 miles with extended life antifreeze. All vehicles, really just about every vehicle, has standard or extended life antifreeze. GM vehicles in particular use a product called Cool that as it ages, it corrodes, it gets bad. So the first thing I'm going to do on this one is take the radiator cap off. I'll let you know I've already taken this cap off. Otherwise, I don't want you to do it because it can be under pressure, it can be very hot, can burn yourself or scald yourself. But one of the things that we do is we take a look at this style of antifreeze and what it does over time. It corrodes. If you take a look, it's just like coffee grounds. And that infiltrates the entire cooling system, plugs up heater cores. As a matter of fact, that's what we're doing on this vehicle, is replacing a heater core. Now, when we're done, we obviously have to get this stuff out of there. It's got to come out anyway. Do yourself a favor and get it taken care of before it causes a problem, not after. It's a great thing to think about. And when you need it done, check it, 5 years, 100,000 miles. Give us a call at Sage Auto Repair. We'll be happy to take care of you. The phone number here is 763-789-6124. See you later.